I'll admit I was skeptical when I met a Cuban master cigar blender that showed me a unique way of lighting a cigar. First, it sounded crazy, but after trying it, I have to say that the results were surprising. Is this a game changer or just another gimmick in the cigar world? Let's find out. Other than your cutter, your lighter, and a cigar that you're very familiar with the taste of, you're going to need a little piece of cedar, about this small. So first things first, let's cut it. And now this is the trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert this little strip of cedar into the foot of the cigar.
If you don't have cedar strips, I recommend going to your local cigar shop, asking them for some, and then breaking them down until they're this small.
So I inserted the cedar probably about that deep into the cigar. Let's go outside and I'm gonna show you the lighting technique.
Okay, because I'm a professional and definitely did not light the first cigar wrong, here I am lighting the cedar thoroughly, and now, after it is thoroughly lit, I'm tilting my head down and puffing on it while rotating. Make sure that you puff, 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 and rotate until the entire foot of the cigar is lit. Just like this.
I think it's a really enjoyable taste, at least for my palate. Now, the master blender's reasoning behind lighting the cigar this way is that it is lit cedar, so a soft flame, completely natural, no butane involved, and no extremely hot flame being put to the foot of the cigar, so you're not overcharring the cigar. And the second reason he gave me was because of that infusion of cedar. I don't even know if you can call that infusion, but you get a prominent cedar taste from it. I highly recommend you try this trick. Let me know what your thoughts are and whether or not you enjoy this. Hopefully, whenever you do it, you get it done right the first time and don't mess up the first cigar like I did. If you like cigar tips and recommendations like this, then please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.